Lot number 141 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one appears to have electrical issues. I have my jump boxes on it, and I'm getting power up here, but it's off. See, when I turn the key, all those lights come on and stay on, which none of the other buses have done. And then when I hit the key, I was hearing some relay clicking, and now I don't hear that. Nothing's happening. So it appears to have an electrical issue. Let's go to the back. I'll show you the motor and try and start it from back there. The body is straight. Paint looks faded. It's got a flat tire on the front driver's side. The roof looks good on this one. It's got tinted windows. The rest of the tires look good. Body looks good. The engine appears to be complete. It's even got the belt up to the air compressors, which most of them are missing. I tried starting it from back here. Nothing's happening. So again, it appears that there's electrical issues. The batteries are dead, and I'm trying this with my jump boxes, and nothing's happening. Minor dents and scratches all around. A couple of dents back here in the corner. Good looking bus. It will need to be towed out of here. No mechanical work is permitted over here. And it's got a flat tire, so you got to deal with that. Let me show you inside. The interior looks dirty and moldy. Shows normal wear and tear. No major damage in here. There's the driver's seat. It's got 2 AC units on the roof. Unknown if they work or not. The bus looks good. Just needs a good cleaning and some mechanical work or electrical work. Who knows? Here are the miles. 103,000 miles. Let's see if we can see the hours. The hour meter does not work. No. See, we got the RPMs bouncing around, but it does nothing. All right, well, there it is. Lot number 141. Good luck.